Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. Apologies that it has got a little bit late on the channel this evening and there wasn't any videos this evening. Well, until this one. One of my friends was in desperate help for someone to help out at their work this evening. So, me being me, I've jumped in there, probably had one of the longest days ever. We started off at 6 o'clock this morning, did my job, few videos. I've been there since. Don't even know what time it is. It's nearly midnight. Anyway, I managed to get one coin from their work. It's the Benjamin Bunny. We're going to get this one signed. I'm going to give it away randomly over the course of the weekend to a comment on the channel. I'll just pick a random comment on any video and we will get it out there. This video then, just a little bit of a roundup of everything that will be happening over the course of the weekend and a few things that have already happened today. We did a nice coin hunt this morning. We picked up an NHS 50p coin and it was a great start to the day. We've also got the new close-up coins. They are all up for getting over the course of the weekend. Good luck to everyone taking part in that. Again, all Beatrix Potter coins. When I get back from work tomorrow, definitely not thinking about going to work yet in the morning. We will be seeing the results of Guest Stands coins as well. One will be opening up for the weekend. And over the course of the weekend, we're going to be starting the Last Man Standing game week-long team special. I can't speak. The week-long team special. There's going to be so many coin hunts. So many videos going up there, review and evaluation videos as well. It really is going to be a great weekend on the channel. I honestly can't wait to get to the end of work tomorrow. The good news is as well, I'm going to be off until Wednesday as well. A really nice long weekend, some nice time with the family, and really just some time to rest up and just be able to try and get some sleep for a moment. So I am definitely off to bed now, but don't forget, if you found any commemoratives, please do share them with us in the comment section below. And let's keep that dream alive that there are still some rare coins out there in the wild. We'll be back at 7 o'clock sharp for the Breakfast Club coin hunt in the morning. And again, hopefully I do feel a little bit more refreshed by then. Thanks as always for all of the support. Stay safe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.